Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. In today's news paper of Tuesday, December the 31st, 2024. It's the last day of this year, 2024. Last day. Bloody 2024. A lot of victims, a lot of people killed with the war. So it's not a good year, 2024. Anyway, let me continue. We have here 3 regular puzzles. One of the puzzles I've already solved, so 2 puzzles remain: the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the 4 Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this 4 Stars Sudoku number 9821. And before I start, I always counted printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits, 1 digit less than usual. The 4 Stars Sudoku has always 24, but this one has 25. Should be at 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with the 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. Alright, question is this the 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in the first column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 3 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 1 here. 7. Need a 2. Need a 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 9, 4, yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 4, and the 9, and the 6 are missing. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 in this row. No 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing here. Then 9, 9. I need a 4 here. Come on. I need a 2 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4. Yep. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, or there. Yeah. So we have 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes, one of these 3 boxes in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, A should be there. 6, 6, okay. 2, 2, 2. Come on. Must be in a hidden number somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think this box should be a 2, hidden number 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, definitely a 2, hidden number 2. Okay, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in there. 2 in that column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. And I need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Okay. Cannot continue with a 2. How about I need a 9 here or there? Need a 1 here. Come on, come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 3, 1, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. 8, 8, 8. Come on, come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 5 here. Well, this one is a hard one. 9, 1, 6, 9 and the 5. 1, 6, 9 and a 5. In this row, we need a 9. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this row should be there. 1, 6 and a 5. 9, 9, need a 9 here. Okay, and now 9 here. Well, in this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay, 9, 9, 9, 9. So the 9 should be here. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. Here, here can be a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 in the column next, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this row should be now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need an 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hidden number. I believe the 8. Because this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, should be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, definitely. Hidden number 8. So 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 8, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. 3 and the 5. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So we need a 4 here or there. Need a 3 here. Come on, come on, come on. 4, 8, 9, and I need a 6 here. Come on, come on. 4, 4, 4. Yeah. No 2, need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the row below, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, now I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. 7. Yeah, think. 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. And I need a... We have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the second column, so no 2 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 and 3. 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 5, 5. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Okay. And now let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay, cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the second row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this column. No 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the second row. So the third row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have 2 now in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the third row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. So 1 digit left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there, okay. Come on. 1, 6. Need a 9 here. Three. 3. Need a 3 here. We have a pair. 3 and a 5 in this row. 3 and a 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So the other 2 missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. Here 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. Hello. 1 and a 7, 1, 7, 7, 7. Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Here can be 7. Oh, made a mistake. 1 and a 6. We already have a 6 here. Yeah. Maybe this is not correct. Overlooked. 1 and a 6. We already have a 6 here, so this can be yes. This is not correct, this. So we have a 1 and a 6 there. We have a 6 here, so this can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 1. So 1 digit left in the middle row. I believe the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This should be a 7 here. Yeah, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left with the 7 should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. That means these 2 missing numbers should be also 6 and the 8. Yeah, 2 miss. No. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 1 did 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and the 8. Okay. 1 and the 7, we already have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 7, 3, 5, 3, 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Okay. Then 6 and 8. 6, 8, and the... I need a 4 here. 4, 4. Yeah, I need a 4 here. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. And how about these 2 missing? 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above, so that row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 6 and a 4, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And if eliminated here, the 8, so the 8 goes there. And if eliminated here, the 9, so the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and the 8, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 and the 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. It's a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.